Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to see a very important video which is related to the use of AI in Microsoft Excel. Let's So guys, we all know that ChatGPT has taken over more applications in AI, isn't it? So we are going to see today how ChatGPT can be used in Microsoft Excel. So first I will open Excel, just zoom it for you. Suppose I have a data like 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, and I have to do a sum, but I don't know how to do the sum or use the sum function in Excel. So ChatGPT will help us in giving us the formula. So let's go for internet browser, and you can search in Google or you can search ChatGPT. Then you will see here it is an OpenAI source. So here it is, message ChatGPT. So now this is the website open for ChatGPT, and here you will see in our Excel I have to do the sum for C3 to C7. So you can write the prompt here. I have to add values from C3 to C7 in Excel, give formula. So see how the ChatGPT prompt works. Hit enter. So guys, see, ChatGPT has given me this formula, that use this formula. So you can copy code here with this, and where you require the result, you can just paste it, and I've got the sum. It is equal to 38. Suppose if I require certain another value, like here it is 6, 7. So I require the product of C3 to E3. So you can give your prompt like this. I have to multiply C3 to E3 in Excel. So it gives us the prompt that use product function. So copy this, go there, you require the result here, directly paste it, and you will see 5 into 6 is 30, 30 into 7, 210 is the value. So it has given us the product function for that, and here it has given sum function for that. So this is the use of ChatGPT. You can visit my channel for more videos on AI tools in Excel, plus the use of ChatGPT in more deep manner in Microsoft Excel. Thank you all of you.